vestibule of the nose. In the vestibule of the nose, this upper portion is the skin. This one. इसमें क्या है? Epidermis, dermis, then cartilage. इसमें the cartilage. Nasal septum में होती है the hyaline cartilage. And this upper portion is called the epidermis. This lower portion is called the dermis. The upper portion is called the dermis. Epidermis. Then the lower portion is the dermis. Epidermis is actually epithelium. The stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. और उसमें क्या होता है कि the thin skin, the number of the cell layers are reduced and the stratum lucidum may be absent. The stratum lucidum. So this one is the epidermis. This one is the dermis. और dermis में आपको नजर आ रहे हैं the structures, the appendages of the skin. These appendages of the root of the hair and covered by hair follicle. And with the hair follicle, the sebaceous gland. और वैसे जो नजर आएंगे वो sweat gland. The sebaceous gland with the hair follicle, the sweat gland in the dermis. Dermis is a layer of the dense type of the connective tissue. और उसके बाद क्या होगा कि the hair follicle consists of two portions, the outer dermal root sheath, inner epidermal root sheath, because the inner epidermal root sheath continues with the epidermis. Then the hyaline cartilage, the perichondrium, the hilose, the cell nest, and the chondrocytes in liquid.